Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to create a triangle shape using the polygon tool, and this will also be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the design on design. We'll be covering a few different methods to making shapes, from aligning them and so forth. I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now when it comes to a triangle, there's probably multiple ways you can go about it, but the way I found most simple I will show you now. So first of all, what we want to do for this, we want to go to our polygon tool, which is located here by our paths. It's the second one. And then what I like to do is I like to zoom in on a square area with my grid. So I'll zoom about here where I can see all 4 points, and it's, as you can see, it's 2 by 2. So now this unfortunately is not 100% accurate, as most of these things you have to do freehand aligning. So there's no real snapping, so you can't really snap to the grid and so forth. Now you could perhaps also import a shape and try make a trace of it. That's also another way you can go about it, but this way I found rather simple. So first of all, what we do is we try to align our first corner with the tool selected. So you want to go on this corner as much as, or as close as possible. You can zoom in more if you want, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm not gonna. So then you want to click there once with your left mouse button, and then you can either click here or click on top. Then for your second point, which is the middle, this is quite important that this is more aligned like this than like this, because we're going to adjust this now afterwards. So then you try to get your center point as close as possible. Click that, got it a bit off, but then want to select the third point. And now the important point here is the vertical. See, you want to make sure it's exactly on line, or should I say your horizontal, but in the vertical axis. And then we close our path here. Now you can go afterwards with your node edit tool. One over here, if you need to make any changes, let's say one of these points are not aligned nice enough for you, you can always select it and remove it. Now we in essence have a triangle here, but you guys will notice where to take our measuring tool. Let's measure the bottom here, just the rough, and then about there we can see this is 99, so it's about 100. Now if we had to measure another surface of this, you will notice that it is about 110. So we're about 10 centimeters out. Now what I found a quick formula to quickly change this or correct this is, like I said, not 100% accurate, but at the end it looks good enough, at least for me. So what you want to do is you select your shape, and then under your width and size, what I like to do is I'll set my height to 200, and then I set my width to 230. Make sure your lock is off, otherwise it will just keep the same dimensions. And now you can scale it to any size you want. So let's scale it back to about these 4 triangle size. Now obviously the top is not going to be as high as the previous one, because we have changed our actual height. Now if we had to go here and measure this, you should notice that we're looking at this is about 100, see there, and then the next measurement should be roughly in the same vicinity, as you can see, also around 100. So I found this is quite a simple way of creating triangles, especially if you want a triangle with all the edges the same length. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different software to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.